Hi teacher, mom. She is my mom. Her name is Maria. She is a hard-working person. I admire her. She is so loyal and faithful. She is not lazy. She is enthusiastic. She is not talk. She is shark. Sometimes is impatient, but she is nice. I think she is so proud of me and my sister. She has a beautiful hair. She is so pretty and I love her. Sister. She is my sister. Her name Annie. She is so short and cute. She is so friendly and loving with the people she loves. She is creative and super smart. Sometimes is so naughty to me. Um, I think that sometimes she is so distracting. She loves football and is passionate for that. She is so fearless. I am proud of that and I love her.